Hello everyone. This is a tutorial to show you how to create an appointment calendar in your Google Calendar. The first thing you need to do is to open your calendar, and you can open it in a couple of different ways. You can either on a Google search page like this, through your Gmail or through your Google Drive. You'll see this waffle menu. You would click on the waffle menu and the calendar will show up. Or you could type in calendar.google.com. And whichever Gmail address that you're logged into on that Chrome browser, that's the calendar that will pop up. All right, so now you have your calendars here. You want to the left side, click right above where all of your calendars are listed. Yours probably looks a lot like mine. You want to click on where it says My Calendars. When you click on that, you will have this pop up that says Other Calendars. You want to hit the plus sign. When you hit the plus sign, this menu pops up. You want Create New Calendar. All right, under Create New Calendar, you can give it whatever name you want to give it. I'm going to call it Sidbury Parent Conferences. Okay, that's the name of my calendar. So I know that's what I'm looking for when I go through to set the appointment times. So once you see the note that says it's been successfully created, you want to go ahead and click back the arrow on the settings. Okay, and after you do that, you want to now make sure your calendar shows up. So here's my calendar right here, Sidbury Parent Conferences. Okay, couple of things. First of all, this is an easy way. It's not the only way, but it's one way where you can set your permissions. So if you click on the three dots, okay, so oh no, I don't want to do that. Click on the three dots when you hover. You'll get another menu. You can change the color of your calendar. Maybe I want cherry blossom. Okay, and then you can also click on settings. Now, this is actually going to be important because you want your parents to have access to your calendar. So by default, our calendars are only available for PGCPS. So obviously our parents do not have PGCPS accounts. So you want to click Make Public. Now your and then you could click See Only, Free, Busy, Hide Details. So now you can click it to a parent with any email can access your calendar. Also right here where it says Get Shareable Link, this is where you could copy your link. If you have, like for the English department, we have to share our link with our department chair who's going to do something with it, I guess send it to Pope Brown. So this is where one of the places you can find the link to your calendar. Okay, and also if you want to share your calendar with your parents on your Google Classroom or through your Remind or wherever, this is where you're going to find the link. Okay, the next thing, right now I've copied that on my clipboard. If you are, say you co-teach, and maybe you and your co-teacher are going to share your conference time with each other. So if you and your co-teacher are sharing your conference times, you can add your co-teachers to the calendar also. Okay. And I co-teach, so I'm going to add Miss Stembridge and I'm going to add Miss Thompson. They are my co-teachers and they will say they can make changes and manage sharing because we probably will be conferencing with each other. All right. And the rest of the notifications really, the rest of this really isn't that important. So now that you've done this, you want to go back, Click the arrow up here. Now you want to click create. And if you click on create, this is where you're going to add your appointment slots. So again, you're going to title your calendar, and this is what your parents are going to see when they look at your link. So again, I'm going to say Sidbury English 9 conferences. Okay. Ooh, conferences. All right. After you do that, see where here says appointment slots. You want to click on there. Now, you're going to have to do this twice. You're only doing this twice because Pope Brown sent us an email saying that we have to work our lunches within our schedule. So you're going to have a set of appointments before lunch, and you have to have a set of appointments after lunch. So this will be my set of appointments before lunch. So first thing I want to do is I want to click on the date, which will be October 12th. I want to click the times. So our first conference, 8 a.m. And then I'll work until 12. You want to do slots with duration. We're going to make these 15 minutes each. And the last thing is very important. You want to click to make sure you get the right calendar. So you're going to click, it automatically defaults to your main PGCPS calendar, but you want to go to the calendar you just created. So this is my Sidbury Parent Conferences. Click on that. So you see my time has blocked out to the color that I made it. I also use Zoom, so you can go ahead and it will automatically make a Zoom link that goes out to your when your parents sign up, it will automatically give them the link that they can use. So you don't have to send a link for them. So you make it a Zoom meeting, and my event is now created. Now I have to make a second calendar. And my second calendar is going to be my times for after lunch. So I'm going to go through or not a second calendar, I'm sorry, a second set of appointments. So I'm going to go here, create again. Going to, same thing, give the same title, Sidbury English 9 conferences. Okay, appointment slots. So same date, October 12th. And so we'll resume conferences 1 o'clock until 2:45 p.m. Okay, again, slot with duration. You want them 15 minutes. You want to make sure you click the right calendar. Okay, so I go back to my Sidbury Parent Conferences. Okay, make it a Zoom meeting. And there we go. So now we have, hold on. Okay, so appointment page, if you want to double check and see what it looks like, you could click on it, go to appointment page for this calendar. And we want to go to the date. And there we go. Here are the appointments and slots for our parent conferences. All right. And so when your parents click on it, they'll see this. Here is the Zoom link that it will automatically give them. They'll hit save. You get an email. The parents get an email, and it'll tell them the time, 8:15 to 8:30. And I just want to show you, once a parent accepts a particular conference time, that slot disappears from your calendar. So I'm going to hit save. Now, if you can see, that appointment slot has disappeared. So there's no way to overbook these conferences. Again, it's first come, first serve. So as people go through and they select slots, those slots disappear. Once they disappear and everything's gone, there are no more conferences available. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Bye.